Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your PowerPoint presentations that you have generated using NotebookLM into an editable PowerPoint presentation. So usually you have to log in to NotebookLM, which you can access by coming to notebooklm.google.com. And then once you are in here, you can go ahead and create a project or create a notebook. And then as usual, you have the option to search directly from here. You can select the type of search. You can have deep search for in-depth report and results, and then you can have fast search for quick results if you're interested in very quick results. And then you can change the format as well. You can search specifically in your drives or within the web. You can do that. And then you have other sources, like you can upload a list of sources, maybe PDFs or websites or YouTube videos or from your Google Drive, or you just copy some text and paste in. You can be able to have access to them. Okay, so let's say for this case, I'm closing this and I'm going to use this feature. So I'm going to say the secrets of the Hoover Dam construction. Okay, so we can go ahead and select the search. This is going through the website and it's going to come out with some sources that you can directly import and continue to use in the notebook. So these are some sources that it has found. Okay, these ones and 7 more, you can view all and you can import them directly into your notebook. So they've all been imported, selected sources. You can see a brief generic overview of it. So you can ask follow-up question if you're interested, with some charts that you can do from here directly. But for this, we are interested in generating the slides. So to generate the slides, you can come all the way to deck in here. Okay, to slide deck, you can click on this edit button and then you can choose the kind of detail deck or presenter deck. Let's go with detail deck, and then you can go data short or default. You can select the language of usage from here. So let's say we go with default English, and over here you can give specific details about what you want covered in those slides. So cover key engineering features that make Hoover Dam great. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on generate, and this is now going to start using this, and it's going to generate a very fantastic presentations for you from NotebookLM, which you can visualize and even download on your own. So while we wait for it to finish, the next step is usually when it gives us the slides, it's going to be in PDF, which is not editable at this moment. So the next thing is, let's go to Canva and let's search for convert PDF to PPT in Canva, for example, and then you'll be brought in over here. Take a look at the first option, free PDF to PPT converter. So in here you have to upload your file, the one that you have generated, which you can now go ahead and convert. All right, so right now it has finished, so we just click and let's have a look at what it has created for us. So you can see engineering the impossible, the marvels of the Hoover Dam. You can see different section of the dam. Okay, so you can see the slides very easily, and you can navigate across from one slide to the other very easily, so you can be able to see the details and the wonders of this very important edifice in engineering. So you can download this, and once it's finished the download, you can come over here and use the free PDF to PPT converter under Canva. You're going to require us to upload the file. So let's say we come over here, we can drag and drop this. So, and as you can see, it's been uploaded into Canva, and still with the conversion, it still behaves like an image. So we don't have much control over the text and so on. You cannot actually do much with it, but you can export it and you can still have it in PowerPoint if you're interested. But the text content is not editable at this moment. So what you need to do is to select any of the slides. You can come to edit, and then you can go to grab text. You can come from Magic Studio. You can go all the way this way and you can see grab text. You can just click on it, and then you can select all text, or you can click, as you can see it has highlighted all the text. You can just go ahead and say all text, and then you can say grab. So by default, this is going to convert all the text to editable format in this particular slide, and we can go ahead and do the same for all the other slides as well. So you can see at this point, this is now editable. We can click and we can see this is editable in terms of the text that is in here. We can select any of them and you can edit as well. Very easy to edit. Okay, so this is the wonders of this particular Canva. So you can see it has made the images editable, which you can continue with your edits. We can do the same on the other slides as well. So all you need is just to highlight, and then you can go to edit, select the image, auto edit, and then do the same. Go to grab text, and once you're here, you say all text, and this is now going to scan through and pick all the text and make them, grab them, and then you can now go ahead and edit them to your content, to your liking. So you can go ahead, fix this, and edit accordingly very easily. You can see all of the sections are now editable. You can move them if you're interested to any point of your choice. So at the end, you can go ahead, come to share, and then you can come to download, and then go to PPTX, okay, the last one here, and then you can download all the 15 slides. Just go ahead and click on download, and this is now going to download the entire presentation in an editable Microsoft PowerPoint format, which you can use to deliver your presentations very, very easily. So this concludes this simple tutorial on how to convert NotebookLM presentations generated from NotebookLM into editable PowerPoint presentation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.